So, oh, you're looking so much better.
So much better. I mean, we'll see. I mean, I don't know. I'm usually not on this side of a camera. I'm not the one on the course either, so it's gonna be a weird spot to be in.
Yeah, today it's just a lot of uncomfortable.
We're just having fun.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have fun. I mean, if you're gonna be in the sport, you should participate in it a little bit. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, but.
That's true.
Oh no.
You ready, man?
I guess. We're running with a disposable, so I mean, we're getting the in-race content. The content grind never ends. It never ends. So we'll see how this goes.
I gotta shoot a video?
No. It's just our cameras and runners out here.
Yeah, exactly, right?
Oh, I gotta do it all the way, huh?
Oh my god.
No, smile, smile.
Yes!
You ready?
Content of the content.
Yeah, I'm ready. It's gonna be fun.
Right here to have a good time.
Good luck, boys.
Thanks. See you after.
Do well.
I know we're not allowed to go.
It's super easy. It's runner set and then the gun. Hope we can handle that. Let's not false start. Let's be careful down this straightaway into the valley loop so that we're not calling anything back. I don't even know really how to do that with this. So thank you guys for coming this inaugural year. I really hope you guys have as much fun as you can possibly have on this course. And yeah, thank you again. Runner set and then the gun.
There's more cameras than there are runners here. This is awesome.
Hey, this is the new world we live in.
Smile.
Runner set.
Here we go, it's happening.
Hey, this will be fun. Come on, Lydia, go, go, go!
You got it, buddy, come on! Good job, Thomas! Good job, John!
They went out too fast. They're gonna die.
All right, ladies.
I think we're having fun now.
This is good. I want to start.
Where's your camp?
Huh?
Yeah, Gordon! Couldn't be any better. Right now you're at 16 minutes. Go up.
Straight up, straight up, straight up.
Good job.
You got company. Take a deep breath. Take it out.
Get excited, baby. Let's go, Carter.
Oh, of course.
No, don't worry about it.
Shoeless, dude.
I didn't realize
It's just Influencer City over here.
Nice job, Matt. Finish strong. Let's go. It is good.
going up the hills, I felt like I was half walking down the hills. Stay tight.
Or even
Jake Willard. Is that as fun as you thought it would be?
Oh my god. I have no idea anymore. But I think I got some good photos of me looking ugly out there, so that's all that matters.
How was it?
It was fun. It was, I don't know. Oh gosh. I just tried to bring some energy to the like 2 people around me.
I love that.
You be that guy that you could be the guy that sprints off the start line. It's like,
Spencer, what's your 10K time on this course?
I've never raced here.
What is it going to be today?
Oh, 37, 50. Let's say we said, okay, 20 minutes. No one's allowed to leave. If somebody's struggling.
so this is our friend's dog. His name's Shadow. That's why we got the Shadows. He's like all black too. He's like pitch black, and he runs with us. Hey, let's be there because
Spencer, we need another goal.
Dude, hop in, bro.
Alright guys, I should also say it's a long race, so let's not have any falls in this first 100 meters. That's just ridiculous. Runner set.
Yeah, Joey! Let's go, Joey! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, boys! Way to go, Drew! Way to go! It's the U.S. 5K champ. Oh. Let's go. Let's go, Ed. Keep it rolling. Let's go. You got like 20 meters.
Consistent effort. You got a solid group behind you.
All right, let's go, Dylan. Let's go, baby. Let's go, boys. Let's go, Joey.
Come on, Drew.
My home.
What are you guys up to after
Little
this?
gay bridge in your background. That was cool.
I think one of our teammates is his birthday.
Overall, what do you think about the course though? Because a lot of you have never ran this before. Did it live up to how tough it really is?
It's easy.
Brian, what do you think?
Something, soft record. Yeah.
And Drew, could you imagine having to run this in high school?
Yeah, I would have smashed the course record.
You remember the Rosie Project days if you at this point.
Hey, come on, man.
Yeah, that's all I really got.
All right, y'all.
Should I keep my hair out like this all the time? No, I'm just I ain't doing
Peace,
that.
peace. I ain't doing that. Wait, bro, show me your show.
Oh my god. Everything is... Why is everything so difficult? Parking lot In-N-Out Burger. Before I go to the bar so there's a post-race party happening at this resort bar. So that should be fun, and then heading to Palm Springs for the night. Gonna get up super early in the morning, film for Ari Clow. Be doing that with Spencer and Johnny. So good crew out there, and then driving back to LA to shoot with Drew Hunter, and then Colleen Quigley. Then I don't know. We'll find out. Wish me luck. About to go in on these animal fries. So I guess this is where I'm staying tonight. What an upgrade from that motel yesterday.